Hi, and welcome to Content That Clicks, your go-to pod class for mastering content in the tech world. We're two writers based in the MENA region breaking down everything you need to know about content in all of its forms to level up your skills, your product, and your business.
In each episode, we unpack a different way content can level up your business, whether it's fixing UX issues, getting localization right, or using AI without sounding like a robot. Because when your content clicks, so do your metrics.
Today, it's time for a content boost where we share one of our favorite quick hit content tips to level up your tech writing.
And like we always say, this isn't just a podcast, it's a pod class. So grab your notebook because we're about to share a game-changing perspective that will transform how you write your content.
But first, a quick intro. I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Hennie.
And we are content experts. Together, we have more than 25 years experience writing for over 100 brands across 15 countries.
And we're here to help you write content that clicks. Let's get into it.
Today's boost, well, it's all about timing, because when you say something can be just as important as what you say.
Yes, exactly. Let's dive straight into it with tip number 1, which is to front load the important stuff. This just means putting the most critical information first. Think warnings or an action a user needs to take to move forward. Remember, users scan. They don't read every single word. So if it's important, say it up front, not buried in a wall of text. A little trick is to also make this info pop visually. You can put it in a header or make it bold. The goal is to make sure the user sees it first.
Exactly. Okay, now on to tip number 2, which is to use progressive disclosure. Now, I know this one sounds complicated, but it's not, I promise. It just means you should reveal information gradually to the user. Don't show them everything all at once. Just tell them what they need when they need it. Let's think about a checkout process, for example. Step 1 would ask them to enter their shipping info. Step 2 would ask them to add their payment details. And step 3 is where you'd ask them to confirm their order. You see, because if you dumped all of that on one screen and asked them for all of that information in one go, people might get overwhelmed and leave before checking out. So progressive disclosure keeps things simple and focused. It's how you guide users step by step and reduce friction wherever you can.
Okay, on to our third and final tip for today. Context is key because saying the right thing at the wrong time just won't land. When you're writing, think about where the user is. What are they doing? And what they need in that moment. For example, an upsell will probably land better after someone's seen the product value, not before they've even finished onboarding. And the tone really matters too. If someone's just encountered an error, don't hit them with an overeager, "Let's go, CTA." You got to read the room. Always ask, is this the right message for this moment?
All right, let's wrap up with a quick recap of today's boost. 1. Front-load the important stuff and lead with the must-know information. 2. Use progressive disclosure and share content step by step. And then finally 3, context is key. So always make sure your message fits the moment. Remember, good UX content doesn't just say the right thing, it says it at the right time. That's it for today's content boost. We'll be back next time with another quick win for sharper content and smoother experiences.
If you want more tips like these, you can follow us on Instagram at Content That Clicks or TikTok at contentthatclicks.pod.
You can also let us know what you think of today's content boost by dropping us a DM or emailing us at contentthatclickspod@gmail.com.
Until next time, keep making content that clicks.